Alright, and we're back. If you're just picking this up and decided you didn't want to spend 9 minutes and watch the first one, this is Oracle Seasons. I'm Corey. Fucking, we just got our Hero's sword, which is the wooden sword, except not as cool. And I'm about to fuck this bitch's hard work up. Alright. So I decided I watched the last one that I did for quality assurance, and I've decided that I should stop skipping through the text and shit, cause that'd probably piss me off when I was watching it. So I'm gonna read it to you. Dude, fucking I forgot where to go. Oh, no, I got it. I gotta chop this fucking fence down. Bap, bap. Hell yeah. But so I'm gonna do this. Hurrah! Who's that? Did you wake me? Who are you? What? Din was taken while I slept. There's no sign of the Temple of Seasons. This is awful. Guarding the Oracle's my duty. Oh, but I'm fucking sleeping on the job. Oh, how I've withered. This land is robbed of the very essence of nature, draining all my might. Can you fucking do my job? It is all this Meku tree has ever asked. I sense evil on the northern peak. Fucking remember that, guy. Fucking, there's a shadow on the north. Alright, dude, fucking. Oh, I need 8 nature essences and holodrum. Oh, dude, I'm not even going north, man. No, fuck no. Alright, giant root near the lake up north. First essence should be there. I'll just fucking sit on my ass. And we got a gnarled key, so fucking let's go. Dude, fuck. Wait, I'm going northwest, right? Fuck it. Let's just go left and up. Hard work. Fucking change your plans, bitch. Hell yeah, dude. HR money bags right here. Alright, fuck. We're going the wrong way. What is this? Alright. Let's just go up. Oh, dude, we got a sword now. We can cut through the grass up here. That's fucking what we're doing. Seasons are all fucked up, man. Oh, wait. What's up? Alright. Just fucking straight. Alright, I guess there's only one direction to go, actually. Ah, dicks, man. Come on. Alright, that didn't fucking work. I like how the heart actually fills in instead of just like fucking popping up with color. It's pretty neat. You can tell they put a lot of work into this, dude. I'm impressed. Level 1, Gnarled Root Dungeon. Alright, guys. Fucking, y'all back me up. Shit's checking me out. Oh, I can blow that bitch up. When you fucking run into a wall and it goes ding 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 ding, instead of like the clanking sound, you can fuck it up, dude. You just gotta drop bombs on it. There we go. Obviously we're going up. Hell yeah, dude. Fucking what got that? Dude, how am I guess I'm gonna get fucking my lamp in here. Hell yeah, motherfuckers. I think these are Stalfos too. Like old school Stalfos. Not like Ocarina of Time. I was like, the Oracle of Time. Bitch. Come on. Boom! Dungeon map. Cool. I hit select to check it out. Cool. Jellos. Dude, I bet you bank off of that, man. Or there's a button under the grass. Nope. Riding the minecart. Fucking Keith, get out of here. Dude, these moblins look like bulldogs. Fucking access denied. Alright, let's see. See, I bet I just fucked up, man. Hell yeah, I got through. I got a gasher seed, or fucking a gasher seed. So let's go stick it somewhere. Fucking not there, perv. Hell yeah, chicken! I gotta watch. Oh, okay, I switched to train track, so now I'm gonna go the opposite direction. Oh, by the way, guys, I'm playing with my fight stick, so if y'all hear me beating the shit out of the buttons, it's because I didn't feel like digging out my pad to play it on. There's another wall that I need to hit with a bomb. There's a box I need to get. I already got the chest, or the dungeon map, and the compass, so fuck yeah, bombs. Let's go fuck some walls up, dude. How do I light fucking torches, dude? Oh shit, he didn't just drop it. You better calm down. Fuck, dude. Hell yeah, dude. You don't know shit. Oh shit, that was close, dude. Fuck. I think I need a... Dude, fuck. I don't have a key, man. Ah, shit. Fuck. Fuck. Dude, I'm fucking stoned. Where am I going with this? I don't even remember. Hold up. I need to go... Right. No, I don't. Do I? Oh, dude, I gotta bomb that wall, man. Alright. Wait, what? Oh, dude, I guess I was wrong. I thought it was a different sound, man. Well, it doesn't matter. Fucking... It was a good thought. Where am I going? I need to go left. Bitches. Oh, they didn't give me anything. These are usually good for shit. You kill like 15 of them. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Fucking up bats on the way. Yeah, I want some sweet boomerang action. Hell yeah. Alright. I need to go right. swing the sword. Shit, dude, I don't know what to talk about, man. I'm just running around this bland ass dungeon while y'all are watching. I want to give out fucking. I want to give a shout out to my bro Dark Justice, man. We had some good times. Hell yeah, let's go fucking through that door. And everybody else on EP, I guess, was pretty cool. Fucking, I don't know. I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. I'm just fucking keeping this silence away, dude. I'm sorry y'all aren't gonna be able to hear the music all that great. I mean, it's honestly not all that great to begin with, but fucking, oh shit. Alright, gotta remember how I push these fucking blocks. I got it. Hell yeah. Oh shit, dude. Fuck, where am I going? Oh, dude, man. I was supposed to break through the wall. Fuck. Jeez. Fucking, I'm not in the proper mindset to be playing video games. Alright, now that we're back here, we gotta not get fucked up, dude. 'Cause I got assed all over on that last one. Dude, fuck, man, come on. I don't even know what these little red dudes are, but they're a pain in my ass, man. Oh yeah, fucking juke. Oh, you cannot pass. I'll throw fucking bombs. Oh shit, dude. Fucking, they're chunking all kinds of bullshit at me. Hell yeah, dude, that fucked them up. Get it with him again, dude. Hell yeah. Give me some of that. Alright, I'll push one of these, I know. Oh shit, that was close. There we go. Hell yeah, dude, I found a chicken leg. That's what I've been after the whole time. And it has 20 ember seeds. Oh, alright, that's what I need to fucking light fires with. 'Cause it makes so much more sense than a magic lamp. What the fuck, dude? Damn, that was close. Alright, dude, we need to go light some torches and shit. First, we're gonna go through this, 'cause this looks like good news. Hell yeah! Took me right where I needed to be. Fucking. Give me some of that. Look out for the hole. Fucking dickheads. Uh-oh. Boss key. Hell yeah! Damn, my sound went crazy just now. I was like... Alright. I imagine we go down and right. And fucking go through this door. Oh, shit. You shouldn't have to do this to go back, dude. It should just be for moving forward. Alright, oh shit, hold up. Yeah, let's go right. Wait, didn't I need a key though? Oh no, I needed to light fucking torches up. Doosh, doosh. Alright, man. Oh fuck, we got wall masters. Or floor masters, looks like. You don't get $20 for them though. Alright, let's just get the fuck out. Oh, I got a ring that I need to get appraised. I forgot all about that function in this game. Dude, there's all kinds of shit you can do in here, man. Oh, fuck! I remember there's like a shoveling game, I think, or fucking a shovel. I'm damn sure there's a shovel, cause I remember spending fucking for shit. I remember spending like forever shoveling shit, man. That was close as fuck. This one looks. That was useless. Alright, fucking moment of truth. About to fuck this dragon up. Think I'm fucking around? Oh, shit, you gotta hit his horn. Alright, bitch, fucking come on. Drop your bitch ass. I'm about to. Get your gat! Dude, he fucking didn't see it coming at all. I'll take that heart. Let's go get whatever this is. Give it to me. I want fertile soil. Hell yeah. Job well done, dude. Fucking credits roll. Oh shit. It's me, the Meku tree. Oh, fucking what's up, bro? Now that I'm done. I saw the Temple of Seasons in a strange land I don't know. Alright. So we need to go fucking somewhere that doesn't exist, man. No problem. Oh, dude, I think you get, oh, fuck, dude. You better... Oh, shit. Fuck, dude. My fucking ring just went in the goddamn water, dude. Shit. Oh, no. Let me keep it, dude. Cool. Alright. Where are we going now? Fuck it, we'll go this direction. Why not? This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, that sounds like an interesting story. Let me fucking break all your pots. Fuck, never mind. Oh. Dude, where's the shield at? You're supposed to be able to... Oh, what? You're supposed to be able to block, man. Don't even act like my fucking sword play isn't impressive. Oh, fuck, dude. I got 4 hearts now, huh? Well, she always knows what to do. What, dude? I guess I gotta find it. What's up, bro? East of town? That's where I'm headed, man. What were the odds? East. East, east, east. Oh, shit. We're at the ring store, dude. What's up, man? Yes. Oh, fucking appreciate it. It can hold 1 ring. Get it appraised. Let's appraise it. Scent soft earth. Shit, what? Am I supposed to be finding it? Oh, got it. What can I do? Friendship. He appraised the one I found in the dungeon. Well, let's go this way since we can fucking sense something now. Oh shit, that's not where I want to go. Can I go this way? I can fucking gank that fool's chest. There you go, bro. Alright. Fucking, I gotta catch them all now. Alright. Ka-ching. Oh shit. What? Man, I'm lighting this bitch on fire. Hell yeah. Alright, let's see. Oh, you know what, dude? I can probably burn those fucking trees to shit. Check it out. What, man? Come on. Yeah, fucking thanks for nothing, bro. Trees don't know shit about core days, man. Come on, fucking. Alright, dude, it's around here somewhere. Alright, so let's follow that bitch. Oh, dude, I gotta hide from her. Shit. Oh, dude, I don't like this. Alright, fuck, come on. Oh, dude, fuck, man, she's gonna see me. Oh, shit! Oh, fuck, dude, come on. This is nothing but bad news. I, I'm expecting her to come back. We're about to ring around this fucking tree all day. Oh, Jesus is fuck walking on water. Oh, dude, I fucking told you! I knew that shit was gonna happen. Alright, well, let's take a break here.